All right, so we are gonna do some fun, easy nail art that also can be used for Valentine's. I'm about to remove my my new dual forms from Sarah Friends here in a little bit, but I thought before I do that, let me go ahead and we'll do this little tutorial because these nails are so pretty, so it'd be fun. Okay, so let me go ahead and we've got these 5 colors. I'm kind of sticking within the pinks, a little bit of red, although this could be considered like a purple red. It's called Velvet Queen. And then we've got a real bright purple. And we're gonna use this along with our little sponge and put some chrome on top. So really, really simple. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply. I just shaped up these nails, so let me go ahead, get me some swipe and just clean these off good so we don't get any dust in them. Okay, now let me go ahead and open these up so we have an easier time at this. I'm gonna be using, I'll go through them while I open them. So I've got Juliet's Vow. It's a really pretty pink. I have Cupid's Kiss. This one is Orchard Glam. And we've already named off this one. Put that over here. And our last pink is Pink Madness. I find myself using this one a lot. Okay, let me move this out the way because we don't need it yet. All right, so I'm gonna start with my brightest. And I'm just gonna apply this here and there. Let's do it at the tip here. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with my next brightest, which is my purple. And I'm gonna apply this one right by my reds. By the way, this is my favorite purple out of all the collections. Then the next one, which is this one, I can't remember the name of it, probably Pink Madness. Kind of go I want to leave room for the other ones. If you've kind of gotten a lot on there on your brush, you can just wipe that off before you put it back in your color. Okay, next one. This one is a really pretty rose pink. So if you're into those colors, love, love, love this one. And I'm just kind of starting, with the darker and then gradually going to the lighter colors. Just kind of putting them around each other. Once we get our fingers all dolled up with the color, we're gonna go in with our makeup sponge piece and just kind of blot it out. In here. Okay. Go ahead and clean that off, just in case. And then my lightest pink. Okay, now we're done with that. So let's get our little sponge and we're just gonna blend all these in until they're nicely blended. So I'm gonna get my little thing here. Well, we didn't mess it up, it's okay. like that one. Let's do this one. If you need to wipe that off, you can just wipe it off on there. And don't worry if you get it. That one may have a little bit too much purple in it for my liking, but let's go ahead and get this one. Okay, I'm gonna lighten this up just a little bit. I think I wanna do a little bit more of, I like that one a lot. Let's do a little bit of this here. Let's get a fresh part of our sponge. There we go. There we go. I like that a lot. Okay. So let's clean up what we've got around our fingers. Okay, I'm just gonna use these to clean with. Use a little bit of alcohol. Just gonna get right up in here where it probably has a little bit more than it needs. Okay, let's get this one. While I'm using it to clean up around my skin, I'll tell you, you can also, use it if you got it too dark in one area and wanted to lighten it up a little bit. You can just kind of run it over. But I like the way it looks. This one I really didn't get too much on my skin at all. Okay, I like that. All right, let's let these dry for 1 second. Get this stuff out of the way. And we're just letting the alcohol dry on them. All right, now we're gonna go in with our top coat. I'm just gonna use Kirsty Meekins. A nice top coat on here. And I'll go ahead and do that to each finger. We've got it out of the nuker. Let's clean it off one more time with our swipe. Just get it nicely polished up. While that's drying, I'm gonna grab my chrome and I'm gonna use Nailz by Dev's chrome. Absolutely love it. This is the unicorn chrome, the white one. Okay, I'm just gonna dip a little bit of my finger and we'll rub that in. that unicorn chrome will really help to bring out the different colors that we added when we mix those together. Okay, let's do this one. And our last one. Okay, let's get them top coated. I'm just gonna kind of quickly dust a little bit of that off into the nuker, just for about 20 seconds. I'm gonna top coat one more time. I'm gonna go ahead and top coat these other guys, just because when I filed, you know, I may have taken off some of that shine. Okay. I should have started with the non-chromed nails first, but I didn't. It's okay though. We'll do all the chromed ones first, and then I'm gonna go back and do my paler pink. That way I don't get any of the chrome on the pale pink. I just dust off my little brush. Okay, let's get the lighter pink. All right, and in the nuker for the last round. And before we get a final look, let me go ahead and put some cuticle oil on. I've still got a little bit of glitter on my fingers, but that's okay. We know the name of the game. And we'll have a quick final look-see at what we got. I think that they're absolutely gorgeous, super duper simple. Anybody can do this look. Really, really nice. I love the way that the color just lightly shifts. Really pretty. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to hit that like and subscribe.